Attack. Attack mode.
Attack.
Alors, on va essayer de voir un peu le rythme. Ça mettrait un peu dans la course. C'est une longue course, donc aujourd'hui, je crois, c'est pas très bien pour commencer à prendre le bon rythme dans le nouveau Dakar. Ouais, c'est passé. Poulet. Bon,
La moto.
Today we are going to explain you how to use the navigation system. Here I have the roadbook. Maybe the last year we are going to use the paper roadbook. Then we will pass through the electronic roadbook, the tablet. But for the moment, we use that. Come on, let's check in the bike. So we have to mount it in the start of the stage. We have 15 minutes to do this process. So normally when we are mounting it, we can check a little bit how it's gonna be the roadbook of the day, but like you see, we have to roll it quite fast, so we cannot see many things and it's done. So this is the prologue of today. Now I am switching on the navigation system from the organization. This is RTF Unique 2, and this is the screens where we can check the kilometers, the electronic compass. So we have the name of the waypoint we are looking for and the number of the waypoint we are looking for. So this is a transfer, the liaison we did in the morning. As you can see in the first line, we have the kilometers that we have to check in the first screen, the start, and we have to take the piste cap 185. This cap, we need to find it in the electronic compass. Also, we have dangers, like here we have a summit where danger 1, and it shows us keep left, keep in the left of the valley, because this is a cliff on the right. To control the roadbook, we have this small button over here. We can pass and the roadbook moves. This is how we do it. And with these two buttons, we control the kilometers. When you get lost, maybe you have to go back, and if, for example, you did 500 meters more, you need to come back 500 meters, so that means it's 1 kilometer extra than the one you have to do. So you need to move back 1 kilometer with the buttons. Each touch means 100 meters. So if you overpass by 1 kilometer, you need to touch 10 times. And basically, this is how it works. Hope I have a good explanation of how it works and you learn something about the navigation.